Hello YouTube, welcome to the chopping block. Today it is raining and I'm outside in my new shelter, and I wanted to share with you the setup I made to help keep most of the rain out of the fire. And I did a previous video on a tripod cooking system which has 3 steel legs, and it's got a chain that hangs down from the middle to hang pots from so you can cook. Well, today I'm using it to keep the water off the fire. It's working pretty good. It does cause a little more smoke to come into the shelter because of the way it's the dome shape on the old cooking grill that we used to have. I saved the dome off of it, and it's come in handy for this. So I guess if you have a tripod cooking system, any kind, you could also use the legs to create some kind of a shield that keeps the water off of your fire. So it is working well. I don't know if you can hear the rain hitting the tarp. I don't know if you can see that clearly. Got that in there. I've got the there's a hook on the inside of the dome that you would use to hang the dome off the side of the grill to keep it out of the way instead of putting it on the floor, and I just hooked that on the top of the tripod system. Let's see if you can get in there and see that. I used that tripod on another video I had that I filmed at night. So if you're interested in that that tripod, I do have a video on it that I used to hang the MSR cook pot off of, and it was one I filmed at night. So there you have it, a shielded fire. I'm glad I didn't get rid of the dome cover off that grill. So just another idea for using a tripod system. You could probably do it with wooden branches too. If you had 3 straight branches you did a tripod off of, you could always hook something like that or something similar over the top of it instead of using it to cook from. But you could probably use it to cook from and shield your fire at the same time. But there you have it, short video. Thought you'd be interested in seeing it. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.